So this bobbin winder, when you engage it, pushes in this little ring right here, which disengages the machine from the motor. But when you wind it up like this with a whole spool of thread, it doesn't work very good. Yep, those were all inside of the machine. And you guessed it, they were actually trying to sew with that needle underneath the bobbin case. So here's a featherweight that it's a 1947. The ladies had it for like 15, 20 years. Never had it cleaned. I had to take the little set screws out. It was locked up because this whole shuttle was just wrapped up in twine, also known as thread, but I don't know if you can see this back here or not. Yeah, it needed serviced.